Yes, my people, as you can see on the screen there, you see $240 million stimulus package. Well, that stimulus package, I guess it has stimulus somebody else's pocket, but none of it not coming to my one. I have okra where dry up in the field. Couldn't get to it, couldn't make any sale. And I know hear nothing about this stimulus money from Rada. Rada never know nothing yet. When I ask them about anything at all, them don't know nothing. The Rada people that I deal with, them never know anything. They don't know about the irrigation system where the government said them might give you like a quarter acre. Them don't know none of that. I don't get nothing from Rada more than one bag of fertilizer one time. So all of this money was supposed to be going around, none of the farmer them where I know and I get none of that money. Yeah man, so somebody need to look into it, because something definitely not right. All this money going around and we the farmer now get none. I know quite a few farmers say, boy, I'm not even really interested in a RADA. So, as I always say, God bless.